In this video, I'm going to show you how you can easily remove that zoom feature from your iPhone home screen. Be sure to watch the video to the very end so you don't make any mistakes. Let's get started, guys, and if you got that kind of magnifying glass on your home screen, which you can move around to zoom in some specific part of your home screen, and if you would like to disable that feature, you need to do that in 2 steps. The first step is tap right here at that item, right there, at the kind of button, if we tap right here once, it will show us that menu, and then first off we need to select zoom out. That's how we can easily hide that magnifying glass from our home screen. However, if later on you will tap with 3 fingers, you need to double tap to activate this tool again. I'm going to show you one more time. That's how this feature can be activated again, and then to close it we need to tap right here one more time to bring up that menu and then select zoom out again. If you would like to turn off this feature itself, you need to head over to settings. I'm going to show you from the beginning. So first off we need to open up settings, then I'm gonna go to accessibility here. And that's where we can easily find zoom. It is turned on now, and we can just now turn it off to stop bringing up that magnifying glass, even if we double tap with our 3 fingers on the home screen. That's how we can easily turn off zoom on our iPhone home screen. And if this video was helpful for you, don't forget to hit the like button.